What is up, humanoids? For those of you who have been around for a while, I asked you not that long ago what you guys thought I should do with hard goods like trucks, boards, wheels, all that sort of stuff. If I should do it on this channel or another channel, well, the verdict is in. I'm not just gonna. I already started posting videos on the Blue Tile Skateboards page. So we do have a Lurpiv Trucks video up there. Right now, me and Irving sat down and took a look at these new Lurpiv trucks. So if you're interested in those, go over there, like and subscribe and all that good stuff. So check that out. We also did a Britney Spears and Welcome collab video. So if you like Britney Spears or Welcome skateboards, go check that out. So anyway, that's it right there. Crazy. Anyway, this is what we're here for today. Look at this. We got a teal box from NikeSB. This is a brand new shoe from NikeSB. It is called the Malor. The NikeSB Malor size 9. We've got platinum tint, and Firewolf gray. I like wolves. Wolves are pretty cool. Anyway, guys, this is a price point shoe. It's 75 bucks. It fits very true to size. Hopefully by the time you see this, it'll be on bluetilesc.com for you guys. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at these. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the all suede and canvas NikeSB Malor. You can see it right there on the tongue label. Super basic vulcanized shoe with a good grip pattern on it. Not a lot of tech in this shoe. So a lot of times when I'm buying stuff for the shop, you know, every brand has their like entry level shoe up to their like super tech shoe. And most of the time, being a specialty store or a really snooty skate shop, I kind of tend to stay away from the price point or lower, like price conscious type of stuff, because most of the time I'm like, treat your feet, take care of yourself, take care of your knees and hips, and like spend that little bit of extra money, buy the tech, support a shod, do whatever, you know. But this shoe just kind of stood out a little bit. I haven't always liked the entry-level NikeSBs, but I think this Malor, you know, it's pretty familiar looking. You know, it's just a basic vulcanized shoe, not a lot of bells and whistles, but for 75 bucks, I thought this thing looked awesome. Like I said, this thing's pretty dang true to size. It fits pretty good, and it does have this Solar Soft insole in it. So it does have a little bit nicer insole. This is typically, it's just like an EVA foam, so you know it's gonna pack out. So it's not gonna last forever, but right out of the gate, the shoe is super, super comfortable. And for 75 bucks, this is a pretty sick insole. You see it in the Crons and stuff like that too, or like what's that? I think of the Cron slip and stuff like that. Also has this like Solar Soft. I'm not a fan of the Cron, guys, but I really do like this Malor. I think it looks good for what it is. It's pretty sick. You know, it's kind of got a little bit of like those heritage NikeSB, like the Harbor kind of vibes. It's also got like a little bit of a Bruin vibe underneath this toe panel. You can see the stitch pattern of a Bruin toe cap in there. But yeah, it's pretty nice. No tongue straps or anything like that. Very thin. You're basically standing on the rubber in this shoe, but that's why you have this extra thick Solar Soft insole. This is your drop-in midsole as well. So, or you know what? You could put your shod insoles in here, and this thing would feel like a dream. So, $75 brand new NikeSB Malor. What do you guys think of this? What do you guys think of the kind of entry level or price conscious shoes? The tread looks pretty good, and it does have a triple stitch right there. So a lot of times with these price point or price conscious shoes, you will see these seams split apart on just about every shoe. But I always tell people, if you just put some super glue, just dab it on the stitches, not a lot, you don't even want to see it, just dab super glue on those stitches, and this toe box will probably hold up pretty well, especially with that triple stitch right there. So that's it, guys. NikeSB Malor. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is definitely not my typical video, but I thought that for a price point shoe, this looked pretty dang good. Another one that I liked was the Vertebrae. Admittedly, a lot of people haven't run to the Vertebrae to try it out, but for an $85 shoe, you got durability, That shoe's been holding up, and people who are skating in it really do like the vertebrae. So if you haven't tried those, we do have some on clearance. And we got brand new colorways as well. So check out the Malor and maybe some vertebrae if you're looking to save a few bucks on bluetilesc.com. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile?